What's up, YouTube? Not my body matching my outfit. Let me turn this down because when this be up, I can't even hear myself. I'm probably yelling for no reason. But I'm finna head to my godmom house today to go do her hair. Why is it falling like that? Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with my freaking thing. But it ain't trying to. It ain't trying to be sturdy. Like, what the freak? There we go. It still look weird. I don't know. But I'm headed to my godmom's house to put on her wig. Let me tell y'all what happened today. That blew me. So, I want to pull up the receipts so bad, but I'm driving. I'll probably have it on the screen or something. But, tell me what I was supposed to get my hair done today, y'all, at 8 in the morning. So, 11 in the morning. So, I needed to reschedule because I had a dentist appointment anyways. But that don't even matter because I wasn't getting my hair done anyways. Per the stylist. Like, so tell me why. I'm texting her. I'm like, can you do this type style or whatever? Cool. She like, yeah, I can do that. But we gonna have to reschedule to 3 p.m. because no, she said we're gonna have first she said 3 p.m. then she was saying she was on her way, then out of nowhere she said we're gonna have to reschedule to tomorrow because my ride got pulled over or whatever. I guess she was out of town like 40 minutes away, whatever, and she don't drive, so she's saying like her ride, something happened with her ride, blah blah blah. Mind you, I'm like, I gotta go out there anyways. Like, do you want me to go out there? You can do my hair out there. I'm with my friends right now. So she kicking it. So I'm taking it there. She never planned to do my hair. So I'm like, okay, cool. We could just forget it because I needed it today. Like, I don't need it tomorrow. I needed my hair done today, so you could just forget it. Like, I'm gonna go to somebody else. Like, forget it. Just give me my deposit back. Y'all, the deposit is non-refundable. Like, I understand deposits being non-refundable when it's the person's fault, or like I canceled on you, or I didn't show up, or I was this many minutes late and you had to cancel the appointment or whatever, and I don't get my money back. Cool. You canceled on me. You didn't show up on me. You took my money. I don't care how little it was. Like, I told her, like, you obviously need the money, so have it, have a good day, blah blah blah. But still, it's just the principle of things and how people do business, and it's just not right. Like, why would you even tell me to send you a deposit and you're not even guaranteed to be at the appointment? You know you don't have a ride. You know you don't drive. You know you don't this and that. Why would you ask for a deposit then? You know you don't have no way to even come and do my hair. Like, well, she can get away, but whatever. But it's like you're not guaranteed to get there to do my hair. So why would you ask for a deposit knowing you're going out of town and you might not come back? Like, and you don't drive. Why would you ask for a deposit? I was done for even giving a deposit. I should never even get nobody no deposit. I'm done giving deposits. So if you're not in no shop and you ask for a deposit, I don't know what to say. You won't be doing my hair because I'm not giving no deposit. But done talking about other people. I look cute today, and if I get my hair done the way I'm supposed to get it done, y'all, I'm gonna be even more cute. Like, I hope I do get my hair done the way I want to get my hair done, because if I got dressed for no reason, that's gonna blow me. But now my friend's little sister is supposed to do my hair and some braids. I got this bun. I keep picking at it like it's a bun, but it's really a scab, and it keep bleeding every time I pick at it. Like, I need to let it heal. But yeah. y'all, where am I going? See, this is why I don't need to be on my phone when I'm driving. I'm out a whole nother way to pass the street I was supposed to turn on. I'm over here jumping in front of people when I was supposed to turn with them. Like, that just blew me. So I done passed my godmom's house. But y'all, the plan today is to get my hair done and go hang out. Like, we're supposed to have some fun today because your girl is always freaking working or at home, and I just be in the cut. Like, I don't even be in the mix anymore. Like, I don't be a part of nothing going on in my city, really. Okay, but yeah, the plan today is to go have some fun, whatever. And yeah, y'all gonna be spending like a week with me though, like a couple days. It really don't be a week because I never start on a Monday, but Monday I got stuff to do, so we gonna be doing that stuff together. I gotta handle some business on the weekends. I really like to clear my mind and I be handling business, because I was gonna do my stuff today, but then I'm like, nah. And y'all know I'm not a morning person. I don't get up early, get dressed, and even if I am up early, I'm not dressed, I'm in the bed. So I would have had to get up super early and been dressed and out early if I wanted to do what I had to do, because everything closed early on weekends. But what else I was gonna tell y'all? Yeah, so we're gonna try to do my hair tonight. I feel like it's gonna turn out cute on me, cute. So period. I gotta clean out my car again, y'all. Y'all know I just cleaned out this car, so that's sad. But I really just gotta throw this garbage away. Like, I don't need another vacuum, but I just need to clean this garbage out for real. I start my new job next week. We finna see how it go, cause I don't know, baby. I don't know. But y'all in the comments tell me, like, was she right for that? Like, was she able to keep my refund even though she didn't even touch my hair? Probably didn't even plan on touching my hair. That's what blows me, because you probably had this plan. And it's crazy because God probably knew, because I had it feeling in my mind like not to send the deposit. Y'all, I didn't send the deposit till a whole day later, because I'm like, I don't know, this is kind of iffy. I'm over here texting my best friend like, what if I get scammed? Like, and I got scammed. But yeah, so let me run up in here. I'll bring y'all with me. Y'all, almost forgot to turn my car off. My car would have just been sitting out here on like that. Is just so a mess. Like, something really wrong. That's so a mess. Now my body's gonna fall off. Y'all, I look cute. It's just my hair. Y'all wanna see the bed? It's cute to me. Oh, the door open while I'm doing all that. Oh yeah. We finna come up here. It was already open. Hey, Tavy. Hey. You don't even my vlog. I'm finna do my godmama here. So don't mind how she looking. Whew. It smells good in here.
Goddamn, just went to go get me some.
Oh, I look crazy. Got to be? Yeah. You could have told me. I would have brought it.
I was on a diet. That's what I was looking at. He
what?
was in my business.
Oh.
And he called you.
Yeah.
Him and Derek Jack.
Bro, they
funny. I was gonna color it, and he told me, I'm gonna call. But I can still use this color, can't I?
Let me see.
Right on it?
Yeah.
Because that's not too much.
Yeah, I like it like that.
Okay. That gonna have it back.
Okay. No, you wasn't even on there. Oh. I'm dead. But yeah, y'all, it's so funny. I'm gonna show y'all what y'all want to see what he posted. I'm gonna show y'all. So y'all, my grandma wasn't even ready. I should have texted before I came, but I thought she was honestly ready. But we gotta go pick my friend up real quick. We finna go to the hair store before they close.
Starting route to 1827 Shadow Street.
Yeah. Hey y'all, so and I'm getting my hair done. Well, y'all see my hair already done already. I got a little sis on the hair because yeah, I don't know. I had went to the hair store. I forgot to vlog that part. I forgot to vlog all of that. But after this, I'm gonna get some food, so I'm gonna show y'all that. But y'all like the braids with the hair? Cause my head big. I gotta do my edges. Don't mind me, y'all. But yeah, we finna go bowling. And if y'all see me on the floor, don't mind me, because that's just how I am. That's just how I am. I'm trying to make some TikTok. Hopefully I don't forget. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when I go eat or something. Hopefully I don't forget to vlog. If I forget to vlog, I got y'all like tomorrow or something. I don't know.
I like what she do to me.
So yeah, it's Sunday, and I just left church not too long ago. I didn't vlog much yesterday because we really didn't do much. Like, we was really just outside. We went to somebody's house, like stuff like that. We didn't really do much. But I don't really like my hair. I think I'm gonna take it out early. I don't know what it is. But yeah. I just left church not too long ago. I don't know if I already said that. I feel like I already said that. I'm headed home now. My mom's supposed to be meeting me at home so we can go out to eat at famous days. So yeah. Supposed to be going to eat or whatever. I thought my outfit was cute, y'all. I ended up taking pictures and they were not giving. I'm like, hopefully I'm able to edit some of the pictures that I got yesterday, but I was so looking crazy. Like, it was just throwing me off. Like, I was just looking so crazy, playing too much, and they just didn't come out cute either. And I'm sad. But I need to stop wasting outfits. Like, I get dressed more than y'all would think, and I never post pictures. And I need to get active on my Instagram. Like, what is going on? I used to be so active. That's how I really gained all my followers. But I used to post a lot. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair though, cause this ain't gonna work. This is not gonna work. I don't need to go in the house, so let me sit right here. I look cute. It's just the hair. I don't know. I'm not used to it. Y'all see how it looked like that? Like, And I didn't know how to do my edges today. I was just struggling. Look at that. Y'all, while I was at the gas station yesterday, and somebody was like, hey, light skin, I like your forehead. Trying to get my number and stuff. Like, that's not a compliment saying you like my forehead. I know it's big. You don't have to tell me. What the heck? But yeah. The streets allowed to be. My eyelash lifting, I know y'all can tell. But oh well, I don't feel like taking them off. I'm gonna get back to y'all a little later though. When I'm at famous days with my mama. Period. Yeah, it's like gonna be 2 in the morning. And I'm putting on a wig. I took my braids down in like a day because I don't be digging braids, y'all. Not even gonna lie. Not like she did a bad job or anything. I just don't be digging braids. I'm gonna put a wig on at 2 in the morning. And no, I do not care. I thought my computer died. I was gonna be sad. I love Bob's Burgers. So that's what I'm watching.
This prep area is damp.
I just cleaned it.
That makes sense. You look damp. These lettuce heads are stacked weird.
Is that illegal?
No, it's just stupid. What do we have here? Push. nice feet, right?
Stop throwing them at me. You know, also do that every time. Do it every time.
Big ass, I get that ooh, baby. Big ass, I get that ooh. Big ass, I get that ooh, baby. Big ass, I get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that ooh, get that, get that, get that, get that, get that
And another woman that could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world.
I'm so tired, y'all. It's like 11 o'clock. But I ended up doing my hair last night. I'll insert some pictures if I didn't show y'all last night, because I probably forgot. But I went to sleep. But now I'm getting my phone fixed. The man is here. But he's like turning off the Find My iPhone, doing something in the settings. And I hope he don't mess my phone up. I'd be sad. But he said he wasn't even supposed to fix it because the back is broken. Like, what does that even mean? I never said I wanted the back fixed. I just needed the front of the phone fixed. That's it. So I can use it. But he fixed it, which is nice. But I don't know why it looked like I got boogers in my nose. He really woke me out my sleep. I was gonna sleep all day. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm kind of glad he did because I got stuff to do today. So y'all can come do that with me. I gotta go clean my car out. I gotta go. Gosh, I'm trying to think. I have to go clean my car. I have to take this Amazon return over to UPS. And then I have to call these people. I'm probably gonna call these people at work. And I have to edit my video and upload it. It's a long video, so it's taking a couple days. I would have been done. But I'm gonna do that at work too. Cause I work today. I'm just thirsty. And there's literally nothing in here. Like, this is nothing. Who leaves somebody with this? Yeah, I don't know what he doing to my phone. Cause why is you turning off my iPhone? Then talk about if you want to trade this phone, then you can't trade it in. Because I was supposed to fix the front. I was supposed to fit if the back was broke. Like, what? I think that's how they be trying to get people. Because if they probably would have knew my back was broke, they probably would have gave me a whole new phone. I don't need no whole new phone. Like, what the heck? But I'm trying not to go downstairs because I feel like he gonna come to the door. But I can't go to the bathroom. I'm gonna get back to y'all like when my phone probably done. When he comes to the door. So, yeah. Hey. I got my freaking phone fixed. Period. Period. Do you see me? Do you see me? And it works and it works and everything works. Period. Okay. Because. But y'all, I really don't feel like leaving the house right now. So, we really don't have to leave the house till about 2. Yeah, 2, I said. It's dark back here, y'all, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when I wake back up fully and I'm getting ready to get out the house. So, I got my phone fixed, as y'all can see. The phone is fixed, period. I tried to go eat. We tried to go eat inside, me and my mom. Shut up. Me and my mom tried to go eat inside when we went to go get sandwiches, but the inside wasn't open, so we just ate in the car, which is why I didn't vlog. And let me turn this heat down because it's too loud. Got me yelling for nothing. I gotta clean my car out though, y'all, so that's what we're gonna go do. Because I gotta go to the gas station to fill my tank up anyways. So when we go there, when we go fill my tank up, I'm gonna clean my car out. I need to stop carrying my AirPods in my pocket because that's how I be losing AirPods. For real. I'm gonna put them in my MacBook bag. That's inside my book bag. Knowing me, I be freaking losing stuff. I keep electronic stuff in my MacBook bag. But today, we pretty much did everything that we had to do. Oh, I have to call those people. I'm gonna call them right now as we drive. As I'm on my way to the gas station because I can't do it at work because I have to train. So we're gonna call them.
At www.revenue.wi.gov.
Please visit revenue.wi.gov/backtaxes to get started now.
To enter your 9-digit social security number, press 1. To enter your 9-digit federal employer identification number, press 2. To enter your 10 or 15-digit Wisconsin tax, please enter your 9-digit social security number, followed by the number you entered is 39. Correct. Press 1. If this number is not correct, if you are calling for individual taxes, press 1 or stay on the line. For business taxes, press 2. For debts referred by another agency, press 3. For all other inquiries, please stay on the line.
I play too much.
Wisconsin Department of Revenue, this is Heather. May I have your name, please?
Hi, yes, this is Kalia.
Hi, Talia. How can I help you?
I am calling because I recently got on a payment plan and paid the rest of the tickets that I owed, but I just want to pay it in full. I don't know if I'm still able to do that or...
Let me take a look. Can I get your social security number?
393.
Okay, so the balance that I am currently seeing is $300.78.
Okay. So I thought it was 200 and something. 230 or something. That's what I had got in the mail.
Let me take a look.
So the payment plan they're paying for, that's what I'm saying. So it shouldn't be no interest.
There's the interest always applies. Interest, it's set by state statute.
So all that money that's added is interest. To shoot it up to almost 100 something.
Well, yeah, it was $280. Essentially, it's $20 more.
I thought you said it's $378. Ain't that $100 more?
No. $300.78.
Oh, okay, yeah, I can pay that. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm dead.
Yeah, no, I understand. 1378. Wait a minute.
Right.
Okay. And so now with these two amounts, because I did the 159 and then 141.78 because there were two different agency debts.
Mm-hmm.
None of this isn't in regards to trying to reinstate a license, is it?
Nah, I'm just getting it out the way.
Okay, all right. No, I just wanted to make sure because if you needed that right away, you'd have to pay in guaranteed funds. But okay, so.
But how long would it take, you think, if I wanted to reinstate my
How
license?
long would it take? So if you essentially, we report to the agencies once a month, like at the end of the month.
Okay.
And so if you needed us to contact that agency right away and let them know that that was paid off so that a license could be reinstated, we would direct you to one of our office locations where you would pay in guaranteed funds, so cash or cashier's check, money order, and then they could contact that agency right away.
You said y'all got one in Milwaukee?
Yeah, because we got Madison, Milwaukee, Appleton, Eau Claire, Green Bay.
Yep,
and Wausau.
I'm 20 minutes from Milwaukee, so I can do Milwaukee.
Okay. Yeah, so that one is 819 North.
Okay, so I gotta go pay that in cash, baby. Let me see. So do we want them to report to an agency that is paid? What? What do you mean? I gotta call them back. Y'all see me pumping that gas? I'm crying.
Wisconsin Department of Revenue. This is how can I help you?
Hi, yes, I'm calling because I want to pay off my tickets instead of getting on the payment plan that I got on. So I was wondering, I had just got off the phone with you guys and they said like if I wanted to reinstate my license, it's better off going to the place so they can report it to the agency. But I was wondering, because I know she said it would be cashier's check or exact cash if I go there. But if I
We do have a third-party service that can process card payments. I do want to let you know, though, that they can take a couple of business days to clear because they have to clear their system before they send us the payment information.
okay.
So if you're looking to have it reported to the agencies next month on the report that goes out next month, it may not process in time to do that. So I just want you to be aware of that.
Okay.
Bien. Para continuar en
Oh, deck,
español,
boy.
oprima 2.
You may notice that credit or debit card transactions that cleared your account on March 29th are missing the merchant details in online and mobile banking. The details of your transaction will appear on your March statement.
Options have recently changed. For a balance inquiry or recent transactions, press 1. For loans, press 2. For debit or credit cards, press 3. For a staff directory, press 4. For all other inquiries, press 5. To repeat this menu, press star. All representatives are currently assisting other callers. To expedite your call, please answer the following questions. Please enter the account number followed by the pound sign. If you do not know this information, press pound. Please enter your access code associated with your account, followed by the pound sign. If you do not know this information, press...
Who's this?
That's an invalid...
Hello?
Hi, is this Kalia?
Yes, this is she.
Hi, Kalia. My name is Christine. I'm with Superior Choice Credit Union.
Yes.
Giving a quick courtesy call here today in reference to the February 14th auto payment.
Okay.
Do you know when you'll be making that?
I thought I made a payment in February. I did it.
Nope.
Not one payment in February? Huh?
I'm taking a look now at the loan, what I have here on March 30th.
Because I know I made a payment every month, but I know they just told me that my bill went up, so I can't pay the rest that's due until next month. But I know I've been making a payment every month. And I don't think my bill went up till March. So February, I think I did pay that. I believe I paid that.
Yeah, I'm just taking a look. What I have owing now for this payment is $333.48.
$300 and wait.
$33.48.
Yeah, that's from March, right? I'm gonna pay that next month because I don't have it right now, and it was late notice when they said that the bill went up, I guess, for the insurance, and I had already paid for the other insurance that I had, so that $500 went to that insurance. So now I have to pay you guys on the 1st when I get paid.
Okay. Real quick though, so now you do have insurance on the vehicle?
I had progressive insurance and I had switched my plan to full coverage because they were saying that I didn't have the right coverage. I had tried to upload the images, but I guess they still didn't upload. So they sent me something in the mail saying that they was just gonna add the coverage themselves. So then that's when I just canceled the progressive. Like I paid the last payment for them, which was the $500, and then I just canceled them, and I guess I'm on yours now. but I won't be able to pay yours till next month.
That's probably not the best insurance to be on, because now if anything happened, only we're protected here. You're not really protected. So if I were you, I would get the insurance on the vehicle so that you're protected as well.
Okay. So what does your insurance cover then? Because I was kind of reading it. It was kind of the same as the one I had.
That's just because the vehicle, you have a note on it, so only what we have the loan out for is all that it's going to cover. It's not going to cover you or anything.
Oh, okay.
So it's just to protect our asset here.
Okay, I get what you're saying.
So if I were you, I would get it, or see if you can maybe, get back on the Progressive or something.
Okay.
The only thing is, we need the declaration page, and then your deductible can't be more than $1,000.
Okay.
If anything should happen for any accident.
Okay.
Okay. So I will go ahead and document the file that we talked, and now you're going to be making then the payment on which date?
I'm going to be making the payment on April 1st. And then I'm going to make the rest of the payment on April 15th.
Alrighty, I'll go ahead and document the file. Now go ahead and get the file reinsured again, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You take care now.
You too. Bye-bye. Everybody calling me because they want my money. Y'all, I thought she said 3,000. She only said 300. I'm like, oh, that's cheap. I'm over here thinking I gotta pay 700, but really, that technically is 700 because I already paid the 400. So when I paid the 400, that's the rest that I gotta pay. I'm just wiping my card on y'all with these things. Maybe getting kind of dusty in here. Making sure we keeping it real tidy. Real tidy, real clean. Now let's go. We just gonna have to go to work because I can't really be late. Thought I was finna have time to stop at UPS, but I don't have time. And I didn't even, but it's crazy because I said I was cleaning my car today and it started raining. Like, it's gonna clean the car for free, so I cleaned the inside though. We good. I just gotta remember to take that stuff to UPS. Take that stuff to UPS. Who did I need to call now? My bank, because they over here taking $30 fees because something was trying to come out of my account.
Press 4. For all other inquiries, press 5. To repeat this menu, press. All representatives are currently assisting other callers. To expedite your call, please answer the following questions. Please enter the account number followed by the pound sign. Please enter your access code associated with your account followed by the pound sign. If you do not know this information, press pound. That's an invalid enter. Tries to enter your information. One moment while your call is transferred.
I was calling to see if I
In and out, I can't hear you.
this thing came out my account and I was calling to see if y'all could reverse the $30 fee. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Girl! Something wrong with your phone, not mine. Bitch. Hang up in my freaking face. It just took me that long to get on the phone with y'all. Y'all gonna hang up my face.
Please enter your access code associated with your account, followed by the pound sign. If you do not know this information, press pound. One moment while your call is transferred.
Okay, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get off work or a different day. When I'm taking that stuff back to UPS. And I wanted to see if I could get the $30 fee reversed.
I can take a look for you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I do see you entered an account number. Give me just one moment.
Bitch, you petty, bitch, I'm petty too. Bitch, you petty, bitch,
I'm petty too.
Bitch, you petty, bitch, I'm But I ain't see myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because
What's up, y'all? So we currently at the mall. We in Pink right now in Milwaukee. And my mom's trying to find her some jogging suit and some leggings. Yep, she got her hair done. She's really cute. Period. I'm trying to set my phone up here. For Instagram. I don't like the coat. It's giving schoolgirl vibes. I don't know. This is what I got to eat, y'all. Chicken egg roll. I don't know what this is called. Some orange chicken and some rice. So y'all, we finna get ready and head to UPS to take this Amazon stuff back. And then after that, what did I say I had to do? I don't really know. I think, did I need to go home for something though? I don't know. Cause I'm just leaving my house. I don't think I gotta go home for nothing. Tonight I gotta do some stuff. Like clean my room, edit my video and upload it. Cause I was been supposed to upload this video. And yeah. Yeah, somebody keep calling me private and I don't want to talk to him right now. Like, yeah. But yeah, what did I have to do today? Oh, I gotta tell my mom to send me this picture so I can finish this TikTok. I was supposed to call you. I'll call them later. I didn't upload. I cleaned my room already. Oh, I didn't bring my car stickers to put on. But we finna go to UPS to return this Amazon stuff. Then I gotta go collab with this boy. I'm gonna make some TikToks with him. And then we're gonna go with my bestie today. My bestie. Yeah. We don't need this heat blasted because this is not that hot outside. I look cute today, y'all. I gotta get some pictures though. I gotta get some better pictures. My mama took me some good ones, don't get me wrong. But it was rushed because people were getting in and out of my pictures. The background wasn't it. And I just want to take my time taking my pictures. And I could do that more when my friends take my pictures. Not really my mom. Like, yeah. I don't know. Y'all like my hair? I like my hair. I really do. Put me on my phone if you're not gonna respond. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get to UPS though, because I just know these vlogs be super freaking wrong. But at least I be doing stuff. I be, you know, chatting it up with y'all.
But hit one of the main niggas. Call them up, put some chains on your brain, nigga. Two niggas, they got magic tank on sipping, and we just party now. Got a dog house in Atlanta, the robber old. That's the photo song. Turn it.
Yeah, I took my stuff back and it was free. Shut up. I'm talking to my YouTube. You want to talk. You just be wanting to be in something. Y'all took it back and it was free. So they said to keep this thing. I'm gonna get my money back. So hopefully that $100 come back. I don't know when this is gonna get there. But that was easy. I should have been taking my share. I don't know why I wasn't. But now I'm gonna go to, where did I say I had to go? I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm doing what I'm doing because y'all don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, buddy. Buddy looks so soft. Hey, not real. Hey. Look at Manny right there. He bugged. He said it was y'all.
Get the rebound! You gotta use that square!
Shoot it! Look out! Shoot! Yeah! And I got that on film. I was not crying. So that's all for today's video. Make sure I give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Wait, I don't even think I showed y'all my tattoo. I'm gonna show y'all my tattoo. I'm in the dark right now, y'all. I had my first shift for Amazon yesterday, and it went okay. It was just too much walking. Like, I'd rather just stand in my station and do what we gotta do. But they had to give us a tour of the whole building. Like, it was just too much. But I'm gonna show y'all my tattoo. I gotta go buy some healing stuff for it today. And I just gotta go do some things today. I don't think I'm gonna start another weekly vlog because I need to finish uploading one, and then I need to edit this long one. And I know this one is gonna be super long, I feel like. But this is the tattoo. Can y'all see? Okay, I'm gonna try to show you. I'm gonna try to show y'all what, like, okay. See? This is it. And it wraps around, kind of. Yes, that. And it's, ooh, it hurts when I stretch like that. But yeah, that's the tattoo. But yeah, that's all for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe so you can see more. Bye, I love y'all. Peace.